If you need to hide text in a video without making the whole clip blurry, CapCut makes it surprisingly simple. In this video, I'll show you how to blur text in a video in CapCut step by step, so you can keep your edit looking clean and professional. This is perfect for covering usernames, private information, subtitles, labels, or anything else you don't want viewers to see. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing guides. Let's get into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your video is already on the timeline. The first thing you need to do is duplicate the clip. On mobile, tap the video layer and choose Duplicate. On desktop, right-click the clip and select Duplicate. This creates a second copy of the same video directly above the original, which is important because we only want the blurred effect on the top layer. Next, select the top video layer because that's the one we're going to edit. Now go to Effects, then choose Video Effects and search for Blur. CapCut has several blur options depending on the version you're using, but any standard blur effect should work for this method. Once you find the blur effect, drag it onto the top video track. This will apply the blur only to the duplicate layer, not the entire video. After that, it's time to add a mask. With the top layer still selected, go to Mask. In some versions of CapCut, you'll find it under Video or Edit, so if you don't see it right away, just check those menus. Choose a mask shape that fits your needs, like a rectangle. A rectangle is usually best when you want to hide text because it gives you clean, straight edges and is easier to position accurately. Now, adjust the mask size and move it exactly over the text you want to hide. You can resize it, stretch it, and reposition it until the blurred area covers only the text and nothing else. If the text is moving, you may need to animate the mask or keyframe the position so it stays aligned throughout the clip. But if the text is static, a simple fix mask will usually be enough. Take a moment to preview the video and make sure the blur looks natural. If the blur is too strong, you can adjust the effect settings. If it's not covering enough, go back and enlarge the mask a little more. The goal is to make the text unreadable while still keeping the rest of the video clear and easy to watch. Once everything looks good, export your video and save the final version. And that's it. You've successfully blurred text in a video using CapCut. It's a quick method, but once you know it, it can save you a lot of time when you need to protect privacy or clean up your edits. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and easy tutorials just like this one.